Hello all and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am Lish the baker, and on today's episode we are making 5-minute any flavor fudge. This recipe is great because it genuinely takes no time at all. It's actually a no-bake recipe. It's all done on the stovetop. It's super quick, very easy, and amazingly delicious. Plus, the great thing is you can make it any flavor you want. All you need is cook and serve pudding, and you will combine it with a couple other ingredients that I'll share here in a second to make any flavor fudge that you would like. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what flavor fudge are you gonna make? If you did enjoy this recipe, please give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, keep it delicious. Hopefully you can't hear the fridge. Just kicked in. Frankie's little bed next to my setup. He's all comfy now, huh? Yeah.